Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the valuations of goodwill. Today I will tell you the factors affecting to the goodwill and the types of goodwill. Now the factors of existing of the goodwill, here I am telling you the increasing the value of the goodwill. The factors affecting to increase the value of the goodwill, and the reversible will definitely decrease the value of the goodwill. Now, first is the favorable locations of the business. When I'm talking about the favorable locations, I'm saying that if business is centrally located in the market, that means definitely or nearest to the customer, definitely will gain more. So it means the central location called as the favorable location of the business helps to increase the value of the goodwill. So it means this helps to increase the profit of the organizations. Now second is efficiency of the management. If the management is efficient, take the decision timely and immediately grab the opportunity. So it means the business will definitely will gain the profit and gain the goodwill. Now next is the nature of goods. If the business is dealing with the durable goods, the chances of less to damage the goods. So it means this also provide that these durable goods provide the increasing in the value of goodwill and the profit also. Possessions of license, it means the some organizations doing the business by getting and holding the license only. So it means this holding the license also helps to increase the earning power of the organization and reputation in the market. Monopolistic competitions. Monopolistic competitions reference to when the less number of competitors are there. So it means the business does not have the more competitions like the perfect competitions with them in the market. That means the business will definitely gain more and gain reputation more. Holding rights like patents, trademark and copyrights, it means the these rights cannot be used by the other business. If the business holding these rights, it means the business gain more. And now increasing the trend of profits continuously, it means the business is rising day by day and increasing the profit power. It means this helps to increase the reputations of business. So again listen, the central locations of the business, or you may say the favorable location, efficiency of the management which leads to the less cost and in gain more. The natures of goods means if business dealing with the durable goods in place of perishable goods, the holding the license and the having the less competitions like perfect competitions, and now holding the few rights, taking the permission from the government, patents, trademark, etc., and then continuously gaining. So all these are the parts related with the increasing the reputation of the business at existing level. So I am moving to the now types of the goodwill. The types of the goodwill business consist with the two types. Number one, goodwill purchased. When the goodwill purchased, it means the one business is one person is purchasing the one business and a settled business. It means this is called as purchase of business. Ready made the business is purchased, set business is purchased. Then sometime the person or the business has to pay more for purchasing the another business. So this is called as the goodwill, and this type of the goodwill is to be recorded in the balance sheet. So the goodwill purchase is the one types of the goodwill. And now second is the self generated goodwill. Self generated goodwill means that due to the passage of time, then business gained with the own name is to be known to the customer. So it means this takes time only. So the self generated goodwill is not to be shown in the balance sheet. So it means the goodwill only to be shown in the balance sheet when it is purchased or sold. So I think it's clear to you. Now the types of goodwill: purchased goodwill, and second is generated goodwill, and the factors affecting to the goodwills to increase the good profit as well as to the reputations. Thank you.